Hey, we're here at the project here at Mechanic Grove Church of the Brethren. It means a lot to the community. Let's go inside and see the story behind it.
Mechanic Grove Church of the Brethren has been in the Quarryville community for over 125 years. We have an established history of people who love the Lord and love to serve. And so you'll see that when you walk into our doors, that we're happy to welcome you to be a part of our family. Our church loves families and loves to serve them through various different ministries that we have here at the church. That's our children's outreach ministries and those that happen on Sunday mornings and throughout the week. The renovation project is going to allow us to expand the way that we serve the families within our church. So we're adding classrooms so that we can continue to disciple both adults and children in different capacities. This will make space for us to add on to adult discipleship Sunday school classes, Bible studies, small groups, as well as our preschool and before and after school ministries and our children's and youth Sunday school programs.